In this video, you will learn how to delete files in Google Drive as well as restore them if needed. Let's get started. To delete a file, right-click it, then click Remove. The second way to delete a file is to select it and while holding the left mouse button down, dragging it to the trash can. Deleted files will remain in the trash can for 30 days before being automatically deleted permanently. To restore a deleted file, right-click it, then select Restore. The file now has been restored to my drive. To permanently delete a file in the trash, right-click the deleted file, then select Delete Forever. Note that if you delete multiple files and folders at the same time, it may take some time to reflect the changes on your screen. In this video, you learn how to delete files, restore files, and permanently delete files in Google Drive. If this video has helped you, please comment below, click like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Finally, click the post notifications bell so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.